everyone, Microsoft Ignite, it's almost here, and we have got a huge week planned around Azure Managed Redis. We're starting strong with our pre-day workshop, Build Internet Scale AI Apps with Azure Managed Redis, Caching to Agent. It's happening Monday, November 17, from 1 to 5 p.m. Pacific time at the Moscone Center in San Francisco. This hands-on session is all about building and scaling intelligent AI applications and agents using Azure Managed Redis on caching. You will see live demos, learn how to architect for performance, reliability, and geo-replication, and explore how Azure Managed Redis unifies memory, context, and scalability for the next generation of AI workloads. Then join us for our breakout session, Smarter AI Agents with Azure Managed Redis in Breakout Room 129, available in person and online. We'll show how Azure Managed Redis, Azure AI Foundry, and the Microsoft Agent Framework comes together to power adaptive, context-aware AI systems with built-in short and long-term memory, semantic routing, and MCP integration for control and data plane tasks. And don't forget to stop by the Azure Managed Redis booth in the Expo Hall and the Expert Meetup Zone to chat directly with the Microsoft and Redis product teams, engineers, and solutions architects behind the service. Whether you are joining the workshop, our breakout session, or stopping by the booth, this is going to be the best Azure Managed Redis experience ever. Seats for the pre-day are limited, so add it to your Ignite registration today, and we'll see you in San Francisco.